Leviki eliphelile sithola imibiko ethi uChief Whip woMkhonto weSizwe Party okunguMmabatho Mokoena Zondi uzinikelele emaphoyiseni uboshiwe. Icala lakhe lithinta-ke i-corruption ne-extortion ngoba kunama-members oMkhonto weSizwe Party staff esisebenzayo as i-research team ayithatha 50 to 60% emholweni wabo, ethi leyo mali leyo isiza iy'ndleko zika-former President uJacob Zuma owu-President woMkhonto weSizwe Party odabeni lwecala. Ngakho-ke base beyammangalela. Kodwa okuvelile ukuthi lolu daba selake lakhulunywa ngaphambilini ngoba kuthiwa lento yenze ngo-2024. Kuthiwa lento siyake yakhulunywa ngaphambilini. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi safunda ipost yabhalwa uGeneral Prince Mokotedi ethi wayeyingxenye yabantu ababe ku-disciplinary committee abenza ama-recommendations ukuthi uChief Whip lo akaxoshwe eqenjini ngoba bemthole bona empeleni necala, kodwa i-National High Command ayizange i-act kulawo ma-recommendations. Kunalokho yavele yampromotha waba uChief Whip woMkhonto weSizwe Party ku-NCOP. Ilapho khona yena athatha isinqumo sokuthi hayi ngcona ngamane ashiye eqenjini uma kwenzeka ubulungiswa kulabantu. Ngaleso sizathu-ke wayeseyashiya-ke eqenjini loMkhonto weSizwe Party. Sikhulumile ngalolu daba ngeviki eliphelile. UMkhonto weSizwe Party uthe ukuzwile ukuboshwa kuka-Chief Whip wabo noma ephume ngebheyili ngalo lolo suku, uphume ngebheyili ka-30,000 rand. Ya, ungaphandle nje basikhuluma, uphume ngebheyili ka-30,000 rand. UMkhonto weSizwe Party uthe usazohlangana bese bebuya kithi nesinqumo esobe sebesithathile mayelana nalokuboshwa kuka-Chief Whip wabo. Osukwini layizolo-ke bakhipha i-statement lapho bebechaza khona ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka kusuka manje ngo-Chief Whip wabo, ngoba siyazi ukuthi eParliament ukhona omunye sebemfakile khona, ngikhohlwa igama lakhe nje. Statement uMkhonto weSizwe Party usikhiphe ngomhla ka-2 kuJuni 2026. Isihloko sithi uMkhonto weSizwe Party suspends Mmabatho Mokoena Zondi's membership pending corruption investigations. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party, MK Party, wishes to inform the public that the President of the party, His Excellency President Jacob Zuma, met with the national officials today, 2 June 2026, and the following decisions were taken. Suspension of Ms. Mmabatho Mokoena Zondi. 1. Ms. Mmabatho Mokoena Zondi's membership of the party has been suspended with immediate effect, pending the outcome of an internal investigation into allegations of corruption. 2. Ms. Mokoena Zondi has been instructed to hand over all party documents, records, assets, and any other party-related materials in her possession with immediate effect. 3. Comrade Philasande Mkhize has been appointed as Chief Whip, effective immediately. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party further wishes to place on record that Ms. Duduzile Zuma Sambudla holds no official position or responsibility within the party. Her role is limited to that of an ordinary party member, and she does not exercise any authority on behalf of the party. For more inquiries ungaxhumana noSifiso Mahlangu, o-spokesperson woMkhonto weSizwe Party. Sisiqale ngikhulume ngalolu daba likaDuduzile Zuma Sambudla. Ngaphambi sikhulume ngale statement esikuleletha. Sizokhumbula ukuthi emavikini adlule kumiswe uNhlamulo Ndlela pending investigation emveni kwephutha elenzekile kwi-media briefing ababenayo kuyi-Saturday lapho babememezela khona uMkhonto weSizwe Party Institute ngomsombuluko. U-SG woMkhonto weSizwe Party wamemezela ukuthi cha, lesa statement esishuwo kwi-media briefing is null and void, okusho ukuthi asekho. Ama-members laba bawabizile njengoNhlamulo bakhuluma nabo, balibona iphutha labo. ngakho-ke uNhlamulo wayeseyamiswa kancane emsebenzini wakhe. UDuduzile wavuka kwabafileyo, waqala wabhala ama-tweet ahlukene, hands off Nhlamulo, washo khona ukuthi uNhlamulo u-free, uNhlamulo akekho guilty. Wakhuluma nje into eningi, waze wambiza mhlampe ngemvu yomhlatshelo, ethi ngisho njalo. Ziningi izinto ayisho uDuduzile, ukubonakala ukuthi ngempela lesinqumo esithathwe i-MK Party ngoNhlamulo simphethe kahle. Okulethe-ke i-confusion kubantu. Ngiyacabanga engakho beyiclarify le ndaba ukuthi uDuduzile akanaseyi, uyimemba, uyilunga nje loMkhonto weSizwe Party, akana position anayo. Yebo, kuyilungelo lakhe, angabhala ku-Twitter noma yena ayibhalayo, kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi kunesinqumo asithathayo eqenjini. Ngiboneka abanye bethi lento eyenzakalayo nale statement sisisho ukuthi uNomvalo ngeke azalaste, ngoba uma uphambene noDuduzile awuvamisile ukulasta lapha kuMkhonto weSizwe Party. Angeke sisho lutho-ke thina kasazi, only time will tell. Asibuyele-ke kulolu daba likamama lo uMabatho, okusho ukuthi kuzoba ne-parallel investigation, ngoba phela ngapha amaphoyisa, ama-Hawks, ane-investigation yawo, ngapha iqembu loMkhonto weSizwe Party line-investigation yalo, yingakho besuspend i-membership yakhe. Ibuhlungu le nto ngoba mawuzwa kuthiwa lolu daba lake lakhulunywa ngaphambilini, yanikezwa i-National High Command, kwathiwa nabo ubufakazi, nawo ama-recommendations, yanga-actor. Lokhu mhlampe sebekwenziswa ukuthi udaba lakhona selize lafika emaphoyiseni. Ngithe mangikhuluma ngokwedlule ngathi akwabasakhumbula isizathu esenza ukuthi umama uMary Phandi yaxoshwa eMkhontweni weSizwe Party. Sathi she didn't exhaust all internal processes, instead waye court. Ngakho uma kunenkinga fanele ubeke udaba lakho ngaphakathi eqenjini, likhulunywe ngaphakathi ngaphambi kokuba uye ngaphandle. Uma usuqedile ukulibika ngaphakathi, wehluleka, wabona usizakala, so ungaye court. Lama member omkhonto weSizwe Party kuma khona phela afaka le complaint kusongo 2024, namhlanje 2026, balibika udaba ngaphakathi. Kusiza ngani ukuthi kuthiwa udaba afuna ulibike ngaphakathi, qeda laba abasey'khundleni benga-act? Kusiza ngani? Umbuzo wami nje loyo. So ilokho nje bengifuna ukukudlulisa ukuthi manje ngoba usechajiwe, ngithe ngokwedlule ukuba ube-ANC besazi ukuthi uma usuchajiwe kune-step aside rule ethi hayi ngoba usuchajiwe shenxa kancane udedela abanye, kodwa ngoba uku-MK Party asazi ukuthi kuzokwenzekalani. Angiyibambe ividiyo kodwa ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Khona kuyinto enhle ukuthi i-MK Party kube khona igxathu elithathayo, ngoba bekungeke kuzwakale kahle ukuthi imember yabo ichajiwe bese kuyathuleka nje. Bekufanele kube khona abakwenzayo.